Hello traders, my name is Grega Horvat and welcome to a new free video in which we will talk about the US dollar index, the latest price action on the US dollar index. In the past week we turned bullish with our members on US dollar, and we also published the article shown here on October 8th, where we highlighted anticipated free wave rally. The reason why we turned bullish is very simple. We know that after every 5 waves correction follow, and this correction should unfold in 3 waves because that's the minimum substructure of a corrective counter-trend price action. Okay, and the reason why we turned bullish was also confirmed by this RSI indicator, where we had a divergence between waves 3 and waves 5. You can see a new low here and higher high on the RSI. Then we also had here some kind of ending diagonal placed in wave 5, which means that volume and momentum were definitely decreasing here, and this usually is the case in final stages of the larger trend. Okay, so we definitely turned bullish here, and as I said, expected a free wave rally. We also highlighted that free wave rally corrections will usually tend to reverse back to the region of a previous fourth wave. Well, in our case this comes in an 80.73, and now we will take a look on the updated charts, also because I have received few emails where I think we will go from here. So let's take a look on the updated price chart here. Here is this 5 waves of decline and a reversal to the upside back to the previous region of this wave 4 swing zone in 3 legs. Okay, so I have received emails, where should we go from here? Well, this at the moment is very hard question. Okay, it's not easy to answer because as we know, the market moves in 3 waves or 5 waves. Okay, so if you see a reversal from the low, okay, in 3 wave structure, and the market price is trading here, okay, then this is a 3 wave movement, and at this stage you don't know if this is end of wave C, or it's only or are we only in the middle of a wave 3, because any 3 wave movement can always become a 5 wave movement. Okay, so at the moment, at this stage, as you can see here, we are consolidating. It's very hard to say that wave C has finished and that we are going lower, or that we are in a wave 3 and that we are going higher at the moment, because at the moment none of these bearish or bullish scenarios is not confirmed. Okay, so from my perspective, I don't want to go with just one wave count, one outlook, and I will say market will go here. I say always to my members that we are waiting on a confirming price action. So what would be a confirming price action in this case? That I would either turn bullish or bearish on the euro on dollar index, and of course on the euro as well, because markets have negative correlations. So here at this stage, firstly, if I see a 3 wave retracement, okay, let's assume that I suspect that larger trend will continue to the downside. Okay, but confirmation for this downtrend will be my broken trend line of this current trading upward channel. Okay, so when I spot this breakout, this is my confirmation that this was a 3 wave movement, that wave C is now confirmed and finished, and that we are going lower. So in such case, I would again turn immediately bearish on dollar index. But more importantly, I always focus on a daily close price, because for me that's the most important price of the day. If you see spikes during the day, this can occur on news, on some comments from some bank members or whatever, and this to me is not so important. Important is the price at the end of the day. Okay, so if I would see a reversal to the downside, and a daily close beneath this trend line with a decisive break, of course, then we would again immediately turn bearish. On the other hand, if we don't get this breakout, if we see an extension acceleration to the upside, well, this should be then an important sign that this rally is probably not corrective, maybe it's an impulse. Okay, in such case, if we see an acceleration to the upside, we would turn bullish on the US dollar. So at this stage we are really at no man's land. It's really hard to be smart here and predict the next move, but because the larger trend is down, I of course I'm focused on this trading channel and this lower trend line. So if we see a reversal to the downside, if we will see a breakout here, then of course we will immediately again turn bearish and look for lower, deeper levels on the US dollar. If we will see an acceleration to the upside early next week, then this would be an early indication that maybe this rally from here is unfolding impulsively, like a 1-2 bullish scenario. Okay, but for now I think it's still too soon to look for bullish case here, because we do not have enough evidences to confirm this bullish scenario. If you want to turn bullish on the US dollar, then you need very strong evidences, and this should be only an impulsive 5-wave rally that would go up to some important typical Fibonacci levels. Okay, so in other words, if I would see something like this, okay, let's say that this is wave 1, wave 2, and if we see then another 5-wave rally from this swing zone, then I would assume that we are in a wave 3 and that we will see more upside and that the US dollar index is in a new bullish trend. But as I said, because the dollar is has a larger trend which is down clearly, and because this is only a 3-wave rise, and because this 3-wave rise has stopped at the former wave 4, and those which is a very common situation, I really cannot confirm a bullish case, and so I'm waiting for a confirmation for a downtrend continuation. Okay, and that would be, as I said, this broken trend line. Okay, traders, that's it from me for today, and if you have any questions, please visit our website and look for the email and send us a question. Have a good day.